Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Kanza. Today we are whipping up a delicious treat that's perfect for any meal, the milk powder Rasmalai. Let's dive right in. In a bowl, add 1 cup full fat milk powder along with 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Mix all the ingredients well and add a 1 large beaten egg and 1 tablespoon ghee. Knead until dough is formed. The dough will be sticky, so apply some oil on your hands and take some dough and roll it to a ball without any cracks. Then slightly flatten it on the top. Repeat until the dough is done. This will make about 10 to 12 balls. Now heat 1 liter full fat milk in a saucepan and add 1 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1/4 cup almond flakes and slivered pistachio and half cup sugar. Stir and bring it to boil. As the milk starts boiling, drop in the prepared dough balls and let it cook on low flame until it doubles the size. This will take about 5 to 10 minutes. Avoid stirring as it might break the dough balls. Remove from flame and let it rest for another 10 minutes. This will allow the blended milk dough to firm slightly. Serve it warm or cold. Top with almond flakes and slivered pistachio. This recipe is perfect for sharing with friends and family. Thank you for watching and don't forget to try this at home. I would love to hear your views, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you again for joining me today. Happy cooking! Enjoy!